Welcome to Current Affairs 360. You have got 50 questions and each question carries 1 mark. After the completion of quiz, comment your score in the comment box. Who was congratulated by PM Modi as Japan's first woman Prime Minister? Takaichi Sane. RBI clarified the status of which visa frequently used by Indian professionals? H-1B. Delhi recorded very poor AQI due to which post-festival activity? Diwali firecrackers. Which country signed a mineral deal with Australia to counter China's dominance in rare earths? USA. Indian MBBS graduates were officially allowed to practice in which ASEAN country? Malaysia. Supreme Court permitted sale of which firecrackers for Diwali in Delhi NCR? Green. Which state introduced chess at all schools ahead of the FIDE World Cup logo launch? Goa. IMD reported heavy rain and issued alert for which Indian state on 22nd October 2025? Kerala. Government launched 600 crore rupees Kapas Kranti mission to promote which crop? Cotton. Which strategic partnership did India deepen during Brazilian VP Geraldo Alckmin's visit? Brazil. Minister Pramod Sawant promoted chess in schools for which benefit, besides tourism? Strategic thinking. Which region experienced heavy rains with orange alert in 5 districts on 22nd October? Kerala. Election Commission required pre-certification of print ads and polls for which state? Bihar. Delhi implemented which response plan after extreme air pollution? Graded Response Action Plan. Who accused BJP leaders of intimidating his Bihar candidates as per headlines? Prashant Kishore. Maharashtra opened TET applications for which group? In-service teachers. Kerala's meteorological depth put how many districts under yellow alert on 22nd October? 9. India upgrades which diplomatic office in Kabul? Embassy. Niti Aayog and DP World launched which initiative to empower women entrepreneurs? We Rise. GOI notified notaries, amendment, rules, increasing notary limit for how many states? 4. India AI and WHO launched the global call for abstracts focusing on AI in what area? Health. Codex standards for vanilla and cardamom were finalized at a meeting in which city? Guwahati. Which bank partnered Ageas Federal Life for SME bank assurance? CSB Bank. Global FinTech Awards 2025 recognized whom for redefining the FinTech landscape? Trailblazers. Who became the first woman president of ICA in October 2025? Shanta Rangaswamy. Emirates NBD acquired what % stake in RBL Bank in a record FDI deal? %60. India suggested supplying which missile system to Brazil? Akash. CSL launched which naval vessel in Kochi in October 2025? INS Magdala. 6 new species of what insect were found in Silent Valley National Park, Kerala? Odonates. Which Nobel laureate and physics pioneer died in October 2025? Chening Yang. Which day is observed globally on 18th October? World Menopause Day. World Osteoporosis Day is observed on which date? October 20. National Solidarity Day in India is observed on? October 20. ISRO's Chandrayaan-2 orbiter made a first-ever observation related to what? CME's impact on Moon. India became global leader in exports for what sector, per NSE Economist? Services. Tirthankar Patnaik is chief economist of which Indian exchange? NSE. Which national mission was discussed in a meeting with FATF and Pakistan? State sponsorship of terrorism. Which currency settlement was launched for Gift City by Finance Minister Sitharaman? Real-time foreign currency. India's Udaan scheme is related to what sector? Aviation. Which beaches in India received Blue Flag certification in 2025? Radhangarh and Shivrajpur. Niti Aayog launched a scheme for star faculty in which area? Higher education. Who led No Kings protest against President Trump in the USA? Activists. Delhi's firecracker ban was enforced under which plan from the Supreme Court? Stage 2. Odisha received rains after a low pressure developed in which sea? Bay of Bengal. Quad and BRICS summit will occur alongside which major meeting next week? ASEAN Summit. Telangana CM Rao announced reservations for which community in recent bill? OBC. Which port city in India held an international trade meeting in October? Kochi. Who is India's Vice President in October 2025? Jagdeep Dhankar. India participated in which global health AI research call? Huindiai. Heavy rainfall in Kerala put Ernakulam under which color alert on 22nd October? Orange. Subscribe to our channel for updated current affairs on daily basis. Thank you.